Hi students. So we were discussing the heritage of India, chapter number 2. And in that we were discussing the folk dances of Gujarat. So we discussed about Garba. Now let us start with Ras. What do you mean by Ras? Yeah. So Ras is also performed in Navratri only, and it is performed in a circle and we have to sing. Actually in ancient times people used to sing and dance together in a circle. Now there's a belief that Lord Krishna Bhagwan had shown Ras Leela to his Bhakt Narsi Mehta. It's a story, it's a belief, okay? Ras is mostly performed in Gujarat during Navratri and Janmashtami festival. Now, Dandiya Ras is one of the very famous type of Ras. We play with Dandiya. But some people perform Ras by placing earthen pot on head. कभी कभी सिर पे वो earthen pot रख के भी रास खेलते हैं. Okay, due to increasing influence of Vaishnav sect, Vaishnav में this is very famous. So Ras has become more popular. Women wear traditional dresses like embroidered chanya choli and men wear embroidered kedia dhoti when they perform Ras. We all know what is Ras. We've seen and we've played also at some point in the life. Now let us discuss other dances of Gujarat. So which are the other dances of Gujarat? The first is Gov Guthan dance. Now we all know what's a Guthan. Guthan means a gat, a knot which is tied. So this dance is performed on drum beats and tal and lay of music. What do? They tie rope. One end of the rope is tied to the mandap or a pillar or a tree in between, and the other end of the rope they hold it in their hand. And the women, they perform this dance in a group, holding the rope in one hand and dandiya in another hand. And they make different formations, creeper-like formation. But alternately, they go inside or the other alternate pair comes outside. And this is repeatedly done in a circle. This way, they open the gut or the guthan and they close the guthan. Okay, this style is known as Gov Guthan dance. Now let us see the photograph of Golf Guthan dance. Okay, just give me 1 minute. I'll share the image on the screen. Yes, this is Golf Guthan dance. The one end of the rope is tied at the pillar, one end they are holding in their hands. Both the men and the woman, both of them are holding. On one hand they have their dandiya and they open the knot or tie the knot. खोलते हैं, बंद करते हैं. One goes in, one comes out. Alternately, this continuously happens. Now let us understand the other type of dance, which is the Dhamal dance of Siddhis. The Siddhis people who live in Jambur village in the center of Gir forest, they originally belong to Africa and they perform this type of Dhamal dance. How do they perform? They perform this dance by rhythmically striking mashira. What is mashira? It's a coconut shell and inside that coconut shell an earthen lamp is placed inside and it is covered with a cloth. They strike this mashira. They wear peacock feathers and hold small drums in hands and they form a circle. Okay, and then they dance with high and low pitch and they speak or they sing ho ho sound comes. And that sound echoes in the whole forest. The whole forest you can hear this sound. And they dance in a group and they make noise of different animals and birds. Let's see the photo of this dance. Yes, this is the Dhamal dance. See, they've worn peacock feathers, there's a small drum in their hands, and they make sound of ho ho. Clear? Now, these were the two tribal dances. Now, let us understand three more tribal dances of Gujarat. First is the Merayo dance. This type of dance is seen in the Banaskantha region, especially in the step wells, near the step wells of Banaskantha. They wove a toran, एक तोरण बनाते हैं with tall grasses of reed and junjadi. And this dance they perform on drumsticks and sword. मतलब तलवार और drums के साथ they perform this dance, and this type of dance is called Merayo dance. The next dance is performed in the Surendranagar region by the people of Padhar community, and they dance with tal and lay of dandiya and manjira. They dance with dandiya and manjira, and while dancing, they generate scenes. They generate scenes as if there's a sea wave coming or there's a ship moving on sea waves. The other type of dance which is famous in Gujarat is Kodio or Kolis dance, which is performed in Saurashtra, and they hold this madrasio, which is a colorful cloth for tying head. They hold that cloth and a turban, which is decorated with embroidery and mirrors, and they wear bait on their waists to perform this dance. And similarly, male dance of Saurashtra and other dances of Bharwad regions are well known. These are the famous folk dances of Gujarat, which is performed by different tribes. Now in this chapter, as in the previous chapter, we have described about Indian culture, and we understand that Indian culture is universal. There are many instances of different countries, the culture have come and settled in India. Why? Because many tribes had arrived into India out of many different regions since ancient times. Okay, and that is why many changes have occurred, like the growth and development of handicraft, home artistry, painting, dancing, and various other fine arts. Tribes have come from different places. Now, when they come from different places, they bring together with them the culture of that place. And that is how India is an amalgamation of different culture. You can see culture of Africa, you can see culture of different other places. Okay, and it is seen in the handicraft, home artistry, painting, dancing, and other fine arts. You can see this different cultures. This shows the rich and varied heritage of India, and it leaves a permanent impression of India on the horizon of world. No other country has such diverse type of culture in which many countries ka culture is mixed. It is only found in India. Like this, we've completed the second chapter as well, and we will now solve questions. We will do revision of chapter 1, 2, 8 and 15. Okay, revision we will do on video lectures, and on the live lectures we will start with the next chapter, which is chapter number 9. So we'll do it in the next class. Till then, bye, take care, have a nice day.